What is up, guys? So today we're going to be talking about the new wheel setup for the F250. As you guys saw in the previous videos, I was running a set of 2212 hostile Predators on here, negative 44 offset, and love the wheels. They looked super good on the truck. Hostile was able to get me in their booth for Daytona Truck Meet 2019, but it's time for an upgrade for the truck. So sold the Hostile wheels back in March of 2020. COVID hit, put the truck project on hold because my wife was out of work. But now we're back on. So long story short, all right, here's the thing. So I was looking for a set of forged wheels for the F250 build. Of course, everybody knows forged wheels, super expensive. So what I do, I just started emailing a ton of companies, showing them the pictures of the truck, videos of the build. End up hearing back from Raceline Wheels. As you guys know, on my van project, I run a set of Raceline Assault 17x9 wheels in the black finish. I've had those on there for about 4 years now. They hold up great. So Raceline stepped up. I got a partnership with them now. So partnered up with Raceline Wheels. They actually do forged wheels. So if you guys didn't know, check out Raceline, raceline.com. There'll be a link down below. They do forged wheels. So talked to the guys over there. They set me up with a set of 22x12 forged wheels. So we're about to open those bad boys up, see what they look like. And got another thing coming for them too. So shout out to Raceline Wheels, dude. You guys are gonna make the F250 look super good. So I know you guys are stoked to see what the wheels look like. We're gonna open them up right now, show you guys what they look like. Probably won't get them totally on in this video since the truck's still apart, but I wanted to show you guys a new setup because it is sick. And I gotta work on a couple little small details to make sure they fit right, but it's gonna be awesome. So let's go over here and open up these wheels and see what they look like. All right, so we got the set of 4 2212 forged wheels, and I'm super stoked. So these ones are part number right there. They're 22x12, 8 on 6.5, negative 51 offset. Before I was running a negative 44 offset, I believe. So pretty close to the same. And no, this is not what the wheel looks like. So if you're trying to click ahead, don't click ahead yet, or you'll probably click ahead to the opening of the video. So let's check this out. So stoked, dude. So, you guys ready? Check those things out, man. Full forged wheels. These are called the Stamina. These wheels are awesome. So 2212 polish finish. They're really clean design. I really like the design of them. I think they look really nice on the truck. So we'll get these bad boys mounted up. I'll be running a set of 35, 1250, 22 tires on it. And yeah, it should look super good. So heck yeah, I hope you guys are excited as I am for these wheels. So glad to get wheels on this truck, get this thing back on the road, get it out to some shows. And again, shout out to Raceline Wheels. Check them out. They do forged wheels, they do billet wheels for hot rod applications, and they do wheels for like daily drivers. So if you need wheels, go check out Raceline. They will hook you up. And we'll be running these tires right here. Only tires I could find with a white outline, white letter. Kind of go with the look of the truck. We'll see how they ride. Alright guys, so we're gonna be running a 35, 12, 50, 22 tire. These are a mud terrain, so it's gonna ride a little rougher than I really wanted, but it was the only tire I could get with a outline white letter on them. And let's just say they were couldn't pass them up. So we'll get those things mounted up, get them on the truck, and if you guys bear with me for a second, I'll show you what one looks like once we get it mounted. Coolest things about working here, I got the state-of-the-art punter system. Helps us get even up the big tires mounted and balanced here at the dealer. So pretty sweet. And let me show you what it looks like. So these are the wheels. I know you guys are going to be excited. Check these things out. It's going to look good. So, race lines, center cap. It's a great looking wheel. See, I got them polished up. They got a nice deep lip on them. Should look really, really good. I think the white letters really pop on the, just give it that kind of old school look. So like a 7-spoke. I think they're gonna look really good on the truck. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get the truck finished up. I just wanted to do a video real quick, reveal the new setup on the truck, the new wheel setup. We'll get all the rest of these mounted up, and then probably on the next video or two, we'll show you what they look like on the truck. So 2-part video, the new wheels, 2-part of the new wheel setup. So you guys stay tuned, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification if you're ready to see the F250 back on the ground and running. So we got some stuff to button up tonight. I'm gonna get that done. And then, so I gotta swap out the back bumper. But yeah, I cannot wait. So, not a super long video, but I wanted to get one out there for you. You guys, thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.